Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Accounting Exports. This tutorial will walk you through the process of exporting your financial data from Revolut to your accounting software. First, you need to understand why exporting your data is important. Revolut accounting exports allow you to keep track of your business expenses, income, and transactions in one place, making it easier to manage your finances and prepare for tax season. To get started, log into your Revolut business account and navigate to the accounting section. Here you will find the option to export your data in various formats, including CSV, Excel, and other accounting software compatible files. Choose the format that is compatible with your accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Xero. Select the date range for which you want to export the data, and choose the type of transactions you want to include, such as payments, receipts, or transfers. Once you have selected the format and date range, click on the Export button to download the file. This file will contain all the necessary information, including transaction dates, descriptions, and amounts. After exporting the data, you can upload it to your accounting software. Most accounting software allows you to import CSV or Excel files, making it easy to sync your Revolut data with your accounting records. Best practices for Revolut accounting exports include regularly exporting your data to keep your records up to date, using clear and descriptive transaction labels, and reconciling your Revolut transactions with your accounting records to ensure accuracy. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily export your Revolut data and keep your accounting records organized and up to date. This will save you time and reduce the risk of errors, allowing you to focus on growing your business. In conclusion, Revolut accounting exports are a powerful tool for managing your business finances. By understanding how to export your data and following best practices, you can streamline your accounting process and make informed financial decisions.